Think about the last time you felt genuinely happy. Maybe it was a conversation, a meal, a moment that just felt right. Now, here's the question nobody asks. What actually happened inside your brain in that moment? Because happiness isn't magic. It isn't luck. It's chemistry. And once you understand exactly how it works, you'll never think about your own mood the same way again. Glad you joined us today. Hungry for knowledge? Good, because today we're exploring the 4 brain chemicals that actually control your happiness. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to trigger every single one of them. Let's go. Here's something your brain never told you. It doesn't actually care if you're happy. Its only job, the one it's been doing for millions of years, is to keep you alive. Happiness is just the reward it gives you when you do something useful. Eat food? Reward. Make a friend? Reward. Accomplish something? Reward. Every single time you feel good, your brain just released a chemical. And there are 4 of them running the whole show. Let's meet them. First one, dopamine. You've heard of it. But most people have it completely wrong. Dopamine isn't the happy chemical. It's the go-get-it chemical. It fires when you're chasing something, a goal, a notification, even the smell of food cooking. But here's the part that'll mess with your head. Dopamine doesn't spike when you get the thing. It spikes while you're hunting for it. That's why finishing a big goal sometimes feels empty. Your brain already moved on to the next target before you even crossed the finish line. Second, serotonin. This one is about feeling like you matter. When someone respects you, when you feel proud of yourself, when you walk outside into sunlight, that's serotonin. And here's what's wild. Your body posture affects it directly. Sit up straight right now. Seriously. That small shift sends a signal to your brain that you're confident, and your brain responds with serotonin. Your body and brain are always talking to each other. Third, oxytocin. This is the one that fires when you feel safe with another person. A real hug, eye contact with someone you trust, even petting a dog. Oxytocin doesn't just feel good. It literally reduces fear and stress at the same time. Fourth, endorphins. These are your brain's built-in painkillers. They kick in during hard exercise, deep laughter, and yes, even crying. That's why a real ugly cry sometimes leaves you feeling weirdly calm after. Your brain just medicated itself. So if your brain has 4 happiness chemicals on demand, why does the feeling never stick? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain adapts to everything. The new job, the relationship, the thing you wanted so badly. Once you have it, it becomes normal. Psychologists call this the hedonic treadmill. You keep running, you keep chasing, but the feeling resets every time. And most people spend their entire life thinking, I'll be happy when, without realizing when never actually arrives. But here's what the research actually shows. The happiest people aren't the ones with the best lives. They're the ones who stop waiting. Move your body, even for 10 minutes. Endorphins and serotonin help someone today, even something small. Oxytocin and serotonin set one tiny goal and finish it. Dopamine, go outside, look at the sky, breathe slowly. These aren't motivational tips. They're direct inputs into your brain's chemistry. You're not hoping to feel better. You're triggering the exact chemicals that create the feeling. So next time that feeling hits, that warmth, that lightness, that moment where everything feels okay, you'll know exactly what just happened. 4 chemicals, millions of years of evolution, one feeling. Happiness isn't something that happens to you. It's something your brain builds every single time. Now you know how it works. So go give it something to work with. And that's a wrap for today. I hope it gave you something real to think about. If it did, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember, happiness isn't just a feeling, it's chemistry. See you in the next one.